how to buy Shiba on eToro step by step. Let's go ahead and do this today. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this. Now, right below this video, there's a link that you can go ahead and sign up for your free account on eToro if this is something you want to do. But I do want to purchase Shiba on eToro, and let's go ahead and do this. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, start your free account, and then, very simple, type in Shiba in the search bar. So Shiba, and you'll see Shiba XM there. Don't get really confused. That's Shiba. Don't think it's another Shiba. That's Shiba. And it's basically, eToro is basically telling you that you need to buy it in millions, which is fine because Shiba's on sale and we want to buy Shiba. Now, the next thing you want to do, you see this little green button right here? You just click on it. The next thing is put the amount that you want to go ahead and purchase for. So we're going to look for $100 worth of SHIB. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to deposit $100 in order to open this trade. So I'm going to do is open the trade, and I've got options here. I can use my debit card. I can connect to a bank account, which I've already have, and it's very simple and really easy to do. You just click on link another bank account and follow the prompts, just like this. If I click on link bank account, is you can't link your account. Oh, the maximum. So I already set it up already. So I've already set it up already. So pretty much all you do is link the account and follow the prompts. It's very simple to do. Or you can do wire transfer by filling out this information out. It does have a minimum requirement of $500, but one of the things I like about it is that you can use your debit card to make a purchase or a trade, I should say, on Shiba. So right here, let me go to the down arrow button, click on debit card, and I can go ahead and make a purchase here. Now I'll go ahead and put my card in here, card number there, confirm. I'm good to go. Make sure this is all filled out as well. Here, and click on deposit. Now it's going to go ahead and make the deposit $100 out of my bank account. And here is the added to balance, $100. Here's my reference number right here. So I'll close this right there. And it does say this: embark on your crypto journey. You're about to own your first real crypto. Woohoo! And it's opening a non-leveraged buy trade will result in buying the actual asset on your behalf. Got it? Store your coins. Click on there. And so there you go. So it's all ready and set to go. And let me go to my portfolio here. And I've got $100 available to make the trade. So it shows right here down below. Now, the next thing I want to go ahead and do, go back to SHIB. Go back to SHIB, back to SHIB. And click on orders, and then I can do the rate of this. So amount, I can do $100. Set the order. You know what, let me leave a little room, little cushion. Set order there. Buy SHIB XM at that rate. I've got $10 left. I just kind of use that in there. And so there we go. So now I've got bought SHIB. You just saw that there. And let me go ahead and refresh the page. Let's see what happens here. This is my first time buying on eToro, actually. So I just wanted to show you what's going on here. And $90 allocated, $10 available, deposit funds. And let me see here. Go here. And there it is. There it is. Buy SHIB is open time right here. So basically, I'm buying this after hours. And so now I invested $90 in SHIB at the current price here. This right here could go the 2 there, and then open time is there. So now you have it. I have my orders. My orders is already set for it. I deposited the money that you saw. And then I went ahead and completed the order based on how much money I have in there. And so this transaction will go through, and we'll check it the next morning. And here's a little note here. It says you're now part of the eToro community. This is kind of old information here. So there you have it. Buy SHIB, $90 worth. We'll check it tomorrow to see what happens. And that's how you buy. It's very simple and really easy to do. It's really to do. I mean, basically all you have to do, let me go back. Type in SHIB and buy. And then you need to deposit money to be able to add it into your order right here. So that's all you do. Deposit money, set units up, and there you go. So it's really simple and really easy to do. Go back to portfolio, and I hit this arrow here that shows all my orders that's going to be processed, and this should be processed momentarily. And this is just more information about the history of what I've done. That's what that means there. That's what this means here. I go here, this is portfolio, has not been completed yet, but it will be completed. And we have the order right there. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. This order will be processed, momentarily, and I will have SHIB in my portfolio. Click on the link below to get access to the eToro, to buy SHIB and other coins as well. And I'll see you on the next video.